Hello everyone, welcome back to our day 4 of 30 days Python series. And in this video, I'm going to show you how we can use the operators in Python. Operator is really important in Python program that can be used to perform conditions in your program. Suppose if you want to add something, like if you want to add the 5 plus 4, okay, and you're performing some action like you're adding the values, so you need to use here the arithmetic operator. Is like in arithmetic you can use the addition, subtraction, multiplication, like this. So there are a lot more operators like arithmetic operators, then comparison operators, and there's logical operators and lot more. So I'm going to show you how you can use them in your program. Let's see in the example here, the VS Code, and I'm going to use here the operators. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to just use here the x equal 5. What I'm going to do here, I'm going to just print here the x plus 7. What will be the output? The output will be 7, 5, 12. Okay, because we are using here the addition and we are adding the value, as you can see the 12, we are adding the value in the x. Okay, and assign more, like just say, you can just say y value is like 10, and you can add x and y value like this and just perform the action 15, right? We just clear it like this. Now after this, what you can do here, x plus y minus 3, and let's run this. You can see the 12. So these are the arithmetic operators. Okay, you can use like this. Now there are a lot more operators. Let me show you. Here's a comparison operator. So you need to compare two values. So as you can see here, we have x and y. Okay, but I want to compare it, which one is greater. Okay, so let's suppose x is less than y. I just say, okay, so what will be the output? Output will be true. So let me just clear first and let's run this program. You can see the operators true. Okay, value. Why we're getting true? Because this condition is true. Now if we'll just say the x is greater than y. So let me just run this. You can see the false, right? Why? Because that condition is false. This operator can be used to compare the value. Okay, you can use lot more operators, the same like logical operator. Okay, so suppose I'm going to give the condition like, okay, x is less than y. Okay, and I'm going to just add here, and the first condition is true. Okay, and we are using the and means the both conditions should be true, then your program will execute. Okay, when you use the or, then there only the one condition should be true, then your program will run. X is less than y, and you can see the condition is true right here. X is less than y, and I'm going to say that y is less than 12. Both is true, right? Let's run this, how this will work. You can see that true, right? Now if I just say here y is less than x, okay, y, and that condition is false, but that is true. Okay, let's try it. You can see the false. Why? Because we are using an and. But if I use here or, so the condition should be true. Okay, let me just clear it and run it. You can see that true. Okay, so you know the difference between and or. Okay, you can use like this. So let's put the y plus equal 5. Now if I will print the y value, so the y value should be include plus. You can see that is the plus icon. It means that will include the previous y value. It means that 10, so that should be the 15. Okay, let's try this. You can see the 15, right? You can do the same like minus like this. Let's try how this will work, and let's see the 5, right? So all these are just an operator. You just need to do the practice. Okay, so if you have any doubt, you can ask me in comment. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye bye.